Oh my God, man. Fuck, man. Hold on. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy PBTV. I'm back. I'm back with another vlog. Now, listen. Today, I'm not doing that. I'm not actually doing the vlog today. I just started the vlog the day before. You know what I'm saying? So this will be a vlog for tomorrow. But I was just starting it today, because why not? You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow we got a big day. You know what I'm saying? I'm supposed to help my homeboy move out, because you know he's moving to Texas. My cousin, actually. Going back to Texas. So we got to help him move out. And I get to see a whole bunch of my other homeboys, because we all helping them move out type shit. You know what I'm saying? You know the vibes, boy. But yeah, I was just starting this vlog off real quick. You know what I'm saying? Now I look extremely hurt. I look bad right now. That's because I was just gonna go to sleep. But I just said, you know what, fuck it. Let me just start this vlog up real quick. These pimples, it's 2 pimples in the same place, and it's pissing me off. I'm just finna ignore it. But yeah, stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Me and my friend group, we lit, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. We might just upload a little video, alongside with the vlog type shit. But how's y'all day been going? You know what I'm saying? How's y'all day been going on this quarantine? Hopefully it's been going pretty good, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm finna catch some Z's whenever it actually gets dark, because it's still light outside. I'm finna get to going to sleep, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I have a good dream, boy. See you tomorrow, boy. So we made it. I made it to my homeboy house, you know what I'm saying? Finally get to see my nigga. Is this the one? Yeah.
That's it.
Dang. All right. So right now, we took like half the boxes out the apartment. We gotta move them downstairs. We halfway done, you know what I'm saying? Man, I'm ready to be done with this shit, nigga. Copyright. So apparently it's a snake over here. They dipped. It's a snake over here. Somewhere. I was only told it was over here, but I don't know how big that motherfucker is. I'm gonna just walk smoothly forward. Fuck it, I'm running. Fuck that shit. I'm good. I'm just trying to find this snake. Honestly.
It's somewhere over here.
What if it's just in the... Dang.
Yeah.
I'm finna walk over there, no cap. I'm finna walk in that. What if it's in the grass?
Hopefully it's a corn snake.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hold on. Do a flip. He broke his neck. Damn. I'm down now.
Hold on, what time is it, bro? We can't really go somewhere. It's 3:18. We could really go somewhere. Oh, okay,
That nigga leg almost snapped. Oh my God. Classic. I still put on my fucking flash. Tragic. Look at Donnell, dude. Bro, I popped a pimple on my face. That motherfucker.
I don't even, bro.
Yes, God. Yep.
You're not even that
Damn.
bad, man. Most people are just not that good, that kind of good at this, man.
I never knew how to play this shit.
That's
Dang.
tragic. Oh, no, you gay.
That nigga toxic.
Damn! Dang!
So tell me why. We walking around, right? We just in the white people neighborhood, nigga, having a good time type shit, you know what I'm saying? And this thunder starts, boom, and now it's raining. So we had to run back. Look at that lizard. Look at the lizard. Yeah. Where you going, nigga? Where you going, you ugly ass? Damn, that motherfucker finna bite. God damn.
I'm gonna get a fat ass.
I'm gonna see you later, alright?
Somebody throw something at it, bro. No cap. Oh, this is a shortcut? Oh, there we go. Yo, it's thundering pretty hard out here, bro. Oh, God. Jathan, bring your ass, bro. We finna get rained on. Oh, my God. Yo, we're getting rained on like a motherfucker, bro. Check this shit out.
Ah! Oh,
Damn.
that's a big ass water drop.
Damn. Damn. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Update. Huh? Update. We almost to the crib. We finna get, bro. If I get struck by lightning, bro, say goodbye. Say goodbye. But we almost to the crib, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even that scared. I just hope we don't get struck by lightning. I'm gonna title this vlog, we almost got struck by lightning. Shit. I might as well take this off. We just got rained on, you know what I'm saying? We finally made it back to the crib. Whew, but guess who's editing it? Not me, nigga.
Big me, regular me.
That nigga's big.
Big me, regular me.
You know, you look like that one thing from the Lorax, bro. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. You look like that one purple dude from McDonald's, like one purple nigga, bro. The fat dude.
I know exactly what you're talking about, man.
Dude, you. Dude. I just chopped your neck. Just. Dude.
Whose charger is this?
I sure do gotta grab my charger.
Dude. Dude. Cuz he's
Why
the
don't
charger
you?
man.
Charger boy.
That was a funny. Alright.
What's right here, nigga?
Dude, why you smacking my hand, bro?
The fat box. Suck my head.
Good. Fat box. Skinny box.
Good.
Good. I can't wait till I get till I get a camera, so I'm gonna flip the phone and up, see what I'm recording, bro. Cause I don't even know what's be over there.
Bowhead.
Is that even a real person, dude? Archer, do a dance, bro. Yeah, boy.
Ooh,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Good.
Where's my lunch? Ugly ass.
Just stop.
Archer, power up, power more. Now, ninja spin. Do the ninja spin. Ninja spin.
You walk up to the special. Ninja go, ninja spin.
But now, I'm really finna flame y'all nipples, dude. That was gay.
Mm-hmm.
Should I just get out?
Mm-hmm.
What's so funny? What's the money?
Let's split them. Just breaks it clean in half. Dang.
Accident.
50 for you?
50 for you. Or
Half 100 for you.
$10 for you.
Oh, split.
Archer,
Dude.
watch this.
Bro, I'm gonna go to 6th grade camp, bro. Like right now.
Do it.
Don't tell him to do that. That's the end of this vlog. Today was a fun day, you know what I'm saying? Y'all got to see what we got to do today, you know what I'm saying? It was the first fun thing coming out of quarantine. Well, we're not out of quarantine. Like, it was the first fun thing we did in quarantine, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what other content y'all want. I'm going to just put the camera right here. Let me know what other content y'all want to see. As far as other content, let me know what y'all want to see while we're on quarantine. You know what I'm saying? Yep. We'll definitely be starting to upload vlogs much more. But I'm finna go hop in the shower because we got rained on today a lot. You know what I'm saying? We got thundered on pretty much. I'm not even gonna do this, bro. I'm sick of these. I'm breaking out. It's pissing me. I gotta like put something on my face. But yep. Finna end out this vlog. Go take a shower, boy. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later, boy. Bye bye.